Right, here we have is an automotive. The 1950 was a Villiers engine in. Someone's gone to town on it. See, it's got girder forks with a hydraulic ram, brand new tyres, wheels rebuilt, well painted. Engine looks like it's had the top end done. Clean the points, it does spark, but it needs a fuel sorting. Plunger frame. This has been painted gold and left. Type 10D Villiers engine. Again. Nothing special about the speedo. The light's there now. It's got good compression. Yep. So there's no centre stand on it. That's why we've put on an axle stand. It's full of spares inside the covers. Yeah, look cool hanging on a wall or not. Mudguard's broke a little bit there, but it's all there.